Hello, and welcome to Cooking on the Coals with Naturalists Gail and Anthony. Fire can be quite dangerous, so the first step is to remove burnable material from around the cooking area. After clearing the debris, we like to spray water around the fire pit to make sure no stray sparks get loose. We also fill a bucket in case we have an emergency. When chopping wood, make sure the trajectory of your axe is straight down into the chopping block. Now that the fire's going, it's time to add the hardwood charcoal. Don't use briquettes or any of those other products that have waxes and petroleum products mixed in. Just use straight hardwood charcoal or burn your own hardwood down to white coals. To speed the fire along, you can force some air across it, feeding it more oxygen. Now that we've burnt down to white coals, we can spread the fire out and get ready to put our food in. We're making breakfast this morning, so we're going to hollow out various vegetables and use them for cooking vessels. Did you ever cook eggs in an orange peel? Here we have a previously baked potato, which we will hollow out and cook eggs in. We're ready to add the eggs now. We'll also sprinkle in some of the onion and potato bits. And now it's time for the cheese. Cheese. We saved the lids of the vegetables so we can poach the eggs in there and keep the ashes out. The next step is to make some beds in the ashes for the vegetables. Next, we cozy up the coals around the food so it cooks like it's in a really hot oven. Gail's going to make some bread dough out of some standard baking mix. You can mix up your own out of flour and whatever else. You want to keep this mixture a little dry so you can work with it. We're going to cook the bread on willow sticks, and you need to peel the bark because it's very bitter. To get the dough on the stick, put a little flour on your hands. Rub the ball between your hands so you can make a snake. Make the snake nice and even and kind of thin so that the dough cooks all the way through. Wrap the dough around the stick and attach it to itself. Spiral it down the stick and attach it to itself again. It's important to leave a little space in between the spirals for even cooking. Boiling cheese. We even let these go a little too long as the eggs were kind of hard cooked, but it's up to you. Okay, everybody out. For cooking corn in its jacket, dip it in some water and then slide it under the coals. These things will steam really quickly and you'll get some nice caramelization on there. Now for the sausage. A couple ways you can do this. You can hold it over the fire on a stick or some other device, Or you can put it right down on the coals. It's no problem. You just dust it off before you eat it. You can cook a steak like that, and it comes out real nice. You can do this with fruit, tofu, or any other thing you like. We're also making an ash cake here by just putting some of the dough right on the fire. Thanks for watching our coal cooking extravaganza. This is some fun stuff you can do in a fire pit in your yard or next time you're out camping. You can experiment and research and do something fun. Caramelization.